Hi, I'm Alex from Banana Moon Clothing, and today we're going to product review the Zoodie by hoodie specialist AWDis. The Zoodie is our absolute best-selling full-zip hoodie. The fabric of the Zoodie is 80% ring-spun cotton, 20% polyester. The ring-spun cotton giving a much more premium cotton. The weight is the standard weight for the AWDis hoodies, which is 280 GSM, which is what we would class as a mid-weight, so it's not too heavy. This hoodie comes in over 20 brilliant colours. The sizes range from small up to 5XL, with the 3XL, the 4XL and the 5XL only done in certain core colours like black, navy and heather grey. The fit of the Zoodie is standard and true to size, so it's not an overly fitted garment. This item has hidden earphone loops and also has a tear out label, so it's really easy to rebrand on the inside neck. You can buy this product online at bananamoon.co.uk.